I heard this amazing quote, and it goes like this. Watch your thoughts, they become your words. Watch your words, they become your actions. Watch your actions, they become your habits. And your habits become your character, and your character becomes your destiny. So what does that mean? I read this book. It's called The Greatest Salesman in the World. It's an amazing book because it's about selling, but it's not about like aggressive kind of car salesman selling. It's about selling from the heart. It's about delivering a message. It's about filling a need, a void, and adding value to someone's life. And the author of the book, his name is Og Mandino, amazing author, I love him. He says, when you go out with love in your heart and love on your mind. So every time I do a video, I speak in front of a crowd, I deliver a lecture at a class, I walk in and I say to myself, I love you. I love you. And as I'm presenting, I say to the group in my head, no one else could hear but me, I love you, I love you, I love you. Because if I say this in my mind, then the words that flow from my heart out to you are words of love. If I say this to myself, those words become actions of love. If I say that to myself, I operate in a state of love time and time and time again. So own the words that come out of your mouth. Own the thoughts that are in your mind. Own your actions and let them be out of love. Because it's the best gift that we could give. Get after it.